You can make your windows look much more elegant and bright by using transparency effects on your windows. This also adds productivity to your work in many ways. Search for Microsoft Store and open it. Now you need to search for WindowTop. Click on the search bar, WindowTop. You will see this extension. Please download this app from Microsoft Store only. Only use trusted sources to install any application. Once it is installed, launch the application and you can close Microsoft Store. Also, if you want to set live wallpapers like this on your PC, you can watch the previous video I uploaded regarding this. This software comes for free with a 30 days trial, but you can still use it after 30 days with just a few limitations. Click on Next until you reach the Transparency Effects section. Here, make sure to enable one shortcut key, which is your driver for adjusting the transparency level. Set it to Alt plus Shift. Click Next and finish it. That's done. Now you can hit refresh, and now whichever window you open, just press Alt plus A to toggle transparency. You can press Alt plus A. You can press Alt Shift and use mouse wheel to adjust the level of transparency to have a perfect blend of your wallpaper and the window you are working in. As you can see, the transparency effects are working here and looking much elegant. You can do this with all the windows, and other than this transparency, there are many more functions this particular application has in your PC. Like this one, you can pin a particular application to the top so that when you are working, even if you interact with other applications, this particular one will stay on the top. This is very useful when you are working with multiple tabs at once. That's it. Now you are free to explore ahead. Thanks for watching, buddy.